How to change car on Snapchat? Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to open Snapchat, but you have to make sure that your Snapchat is Snapchat Plus. The cars can be changed only in Snapchat Plus. That is, cars are only available in Snapchat Plus. Since I don't have Snapchat Plus, I don't have that option, but I'm gonna show you anyways. So let's jump into the steps. If you have Snapchat Plus, go ahead and tap on your profile, which is on the top left corner. After that, you can see Snapchat Plus just below your name. You wanna go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you will see the screen. Then you wanna tap on Map Appearance. After that, you wanna go ahead and tap on Cars. As soon as you do that, the option of changing car will appear on your screen. Then you have to choose the following car and then tap on Done. And that is how you simply change cars on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.